güzel kadar bu iş bitti.
Adam hangi bir
İnsan kaynağı olmadan gerçekten bu işler yürümüyor. Çok zorlanıyor. Yani zorlanıyorlar. Gelen yardım kuruluşları oluyor. Çok ciddi zorluklar yaşadıklarını bize ifade ediyorlar.
Çevirmek ister misin abi İngilizce?
Yok.
Şimdi şöyle mesela.
I came to Adıyaman for two reasons. It's bittersweet. One is to find out what the people here needed, just to get a feel of how bad the devastation was, how people that have survived are living and how they're being kept. But the bitter side of it for me is that a hotel not too far from here, 25 children from my homeland Cyprus perished and 10 of their teachers and coaches. So I wanted to come and pay my respects there as well, and to send my condolences and my love to the families and the friends of the children that perished.
Sizi izleyenlere ve dünyaya ne mesajınız var depremle ilgili olarak?
I just want everyone around the world and to not forget about what's happened in Turkey. I know it's not in the news at the moment, but we're going to keep going because I believe that the world needs to help more now. The government's doing an amazing job by bringing in the demolition crew to clear everything up. But the people that have been left homeless still need to live, still want to get back to their life and still want to have some kind of normality, both physically and mentally. So my message to the world is, please don't forget the people of Turkey. Please don't forget the people that have suffered in the earthquake. 26 million people have been left homeless. Over 20,000 buildings have been demolished and 150,000 children have been left orphaned. So please do not forget about Turkey. Do not forget about the earthquake. They need our help and we need to keep giving. The help that's going on here by these guys and everyone around is truly phenomenal. The system that they've put in place, the help that they're bringing in is brilliant. If you look around this place, you can see they've separated areas for the women, the children and the men. They've set up a system here where the goods come in and the clothes are distributed accordingly. They're feeding these people brilliantly. They've built a depot that stores all of the good and comes out if and when it's needed. So, and plus they're going to be helping us. They're going to be helping us a lot with what we're bringing in. I had the main problem I had was we're bringing in lorries and supplies and aid from the UK, and our biggest problem was how do we distribute this amount of aid and this amount of help. These guys have kindly came in, stepped in and said it doesn't matter where you deliver the lorries, where you deliver the aid, we will take control of it, we will distribute it and put it not only to Adıyaman, whether it's Hatay, Nurdağ, wherever the aid needs help, that's where these guys are going to do it. So commendable, I salute you and thank you for all the help that you're giving the people of Turkey.